Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Google Pixel 7 device, and now I'm gonna show you top 3 themes for this phone. Okay, if you are tired of the standard appearance of your Google Pixel device, then it's time to change something. So now I'll show you the top of best themes for your phone. It will be top 3 themes, and if you are ready, let's start. And so, since there are no themes on this phone in the brand store, I will look for themes in the Play Market. So, attention, the first theme will be appreciated only by old school Android users. It's called ADV Launcher 2. In order to install this theme, you need to open an app store, your Play Market, then find here ADV Launcher. Find it and click Install. Cool, now click Open and yes, I can already see an old school tear blowing up on your eyes. Here you can see here you really can choose the appearance of your Android, lollipop or Kit Kat. Okay, here we can choose Android gingerbread or Android Kit Kat. So click go it, and yes, here we have appearance of Android Kit Kat, Android 4, as I remember. So yes, it's really Android 4 or Android 7. I can't remember what the version of Android was Kit Kat. And here we have really old style, really minimalistic and really pretty cool icons, pretty cool design of our home screen. Yes, it's pixel style design, but it really good works. And if you want to set this theme like your home screen, you need to click and hold of any free space on your screen, then choose System Settings, then scroll down, choose Apps, then scroll down, choose Default Apps and Home App. Click on it and choose ADV Launcher. And cool, now ADV Launcher is a home screen launcher on your phone. That's it. The second theme, as you can see, is Apus Pro Launcher. It's completely free launcher. Of course, you can buy some features, but you don't need it. Just click OK, click Set as Default if you want. Okay, to set as default, open Settings, then choose Apps, Default Apps, Home Screen App, and choose Apus Pro. Okay, here we have, I don't know, maybe China style launcher with pretty good icons. Here you will see here you see themes. We can download themes for this theme, for this launcher. It's not working now, I don't know why. Here we have Smart Center. We can set up it. We can add it to calendar, notes. Here you will see recent apps, news. Tap to refresh. Okay, it's not working now. Why? Here we have Auto Boost, Turbo Boost to boost our device. It will clean your memory, and cool. It looks great. It works great. I think it's one of the best launchers, best free launchers for your Pixel device. And if you want to install the best launcher ever on your Pixel device, I suggest you install Microsoft Launcher. So open App Store and find here Microsoft Launcher and install it. Click open. Just get started while using the app. Allow. Choose wallpaper. Continue. Here you can log into Microsoft account. This launcher is working with your Windows device. If you are using this launcher, you can get calls on your Windows notebook or Windows computer on a PC, and of course you can get messages on your Microsoft device with Microsoft Windows account. So if you want to use your device with your Windows device, I suggest to use this launcher because it's really good to use with your computer. I will skip it because I will not show you now how it works, so I suggest to try it on your time. So here you can pick your favorite apps, for example Chrome camera, calculator and IDK, Play Store maybe, and click next. Let's go. Set your launch as default and cool. Here we have Meets, here we have Calendar, of course Microsoft Calendar, but you can add here, add to this panel Google Calendar too, and of course Microsoft To Do. It's free, good app to plan your time. Sticky Notes, of course, to Microsoft OneNote. It's free app, but if you want to use it, you can use it. If you don't need it, just hide this card and that's it. Documents, screen time, it's a really good feature. It works like on iPhone devices. So just find Microsoft Launcher and click Permit Usage Access, and he will see all screen time of all apps, how many times you are using any app, Instagram, Telegram, WhatsApp, YouTube. So it's a really good feature. Of course, you can edit this view. You can add widgets. For example, you can add calendar, as I have said 5 minutes ago. And of course, you have here Microsoft News. You can install Microsoft Start if you want. Microsoft Start, it's good, but I not suggest you to use it if you are not perfect user of Microsoft devices, Microsoft systems. And cool, of course, you can set up it. You can set up this launcher. You can here we have the wallpaper icon. Using this icon, we can change our wallpaper in any time to any different but beautiful, really beautiful wallpapers. So just click on this button to change your wallpaper if your old wallpaper is bored you. So I think that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel and comment this video. If you like it, just tell us. Tell it. If you are using another launcher, just tell us about it. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.